what's next on Project C10.
About the switch itself.
Yeah. All right, it's time, boys. We're gonna give it a shot. We got everything wired up. Keep our fingers crossed. We'll see what happens. Awesome. Yes, just how we planned it. Right, guys?
That's right. First time.
First time. That's right. Cut. So, is that how you think it really happened? It didn't. What happened was we had a couple of snafus. Nothing that was our own fault, but we had a defective or a bad part. So we had an issue with the intake manifold. The carburetor would not seat. So when we first started it up, it was backfiring, whining. It sounded like a blower motor. We didn't know what it was. We finally decided that the noise was coming from the carburetor. It was actually sucking air underneath, and the gasket was acting like a reed valve, making a high-pitched whine. So we pulled the carburetor off. That's when we found that the studs were like pulling out and screwed up. So there was no way to fix it. So I gave Holly a call because we absolutely love the Sniper intake, the look of it and the design. So I called them up, told them what happened, but they sent us a new one. So kudos to Holly taking care of us. And they know that I'm a longtime customer, and a lot of people are, but they did us right. So we got a new intake, identical to the other one, but maybe with a little bit of upgrade to it. And we got it all running and put back together now. So now it runs like it does.